Welcome back. This is Wisconsin Shoe Guy, and today we're going to unbox a pair of field boots that I got from Sons of Henrey. Now, I've had a really good experience with Sons of Henrey over the years. It was the first place I tried Utah calf. They do some really nice museum calf, like on the order of Tricker's nice, really nice. And they started doing these field boots, and I got a pair with Utah calf, again, because I just love the leather. And then they did a pair of really kind of hardy, like winter heavy boots that they did in Jamaican Kudu. And I thought, well, that sounds pretty cool. Wonder what it's going to be like. So I ordered it. There were some delays. The factory with COVID has kind of been in a bad way. And so they just arrived now, which is actually perfect for me because it's just in time for the heavy winter that we get in my town this time of year. So super excited, and here we go. Tom always has these really cool thank you cards. Just a great guy and a great brand. Always includes a polishing cloth, and then he has the shoes in boot bags, which I also like. And these have Ridgeway soles, which not something that I do all the time. You take a look at these, they're really, the sole work is pretty clean. The welt, they did a little burnishing on the toe there, which I like. And they do have the triple sewn cap, which from far away you can kind of see, but up close it really gets lost in this beautiful kudu. And they're lined. The tongue is lined, and they are separated between the shaft and the actual boot portion. Now that's a difference between like a Edward Green and a Sons of Henrey. Now Edward Green is a lot more expensive, but this material, which is usually unlined, it goes all the way down to the base of the shoe. So it's one piece. So when your foot is going, it's not actually, you don't feel this joint. Where on this pair and my other pair from Sons of Henrey, you do. Also, the lasting balance on this part here is a little on the high side for these, where on the others it's more like shoes and a little bit more level, consistent with the structure of the shoe too. This is a little bit higher than the structure. Now that's not bad, right? These are under $400 boots, and that's totally okay for that. But when you're up market, those are the small differences that you see. Again, a little burnish here at the heel, really just for contrast. And we'll be interested to see how this polishes out after I apply some polish. So they're brand new. Now, just to review, the Sons of Henrey have 5 eyelets and 3 speed hooks, where most of my other ones are 4 and 4. So now I can take that to my cobbler and adjust that, which I might do, I might not. They are done with wide lacing, but they provide round lacing as a backup in case you prefer that, which I do, and so we'll probably change. So as we get back to this, here's the other one. Also very clean. Got a little bit of fudging on the welt. The stitch density on this is not bad. It's not great. It's just pretty solid, and exactly what you'd expect for a hardy, heavy boot. So very excited to get these on the hoof, and we'll do a follow-up after they're there. Thanks for watching.